So technical analysis, again, guys, for who are new in this area, what we do, what is noticed that there are certain patterns in the price move, okay? And that's what we can see. This is a historical. Remember, whatever we're analyzing technically, it doesn't guarantee that the company is going to follow that pattern. But probability, from probability point of view, it's going to be higher probability that's going to continue that pattern. Okay, but it's a probability game. You have to understand. So that's what we can see. I am not going to go into details and explain the rules, but that's what I just want to show you. The company moved from $3 in 2009 to 40, I think $8 in 2013. So if you kept this company for 4 years, you would make what? From $3 to 48. It's what? 1,500%, right? So if I'm correct. So put $30,000 here, $500,000 you have here. This called tenfold moving companies, 10x. So when you're increasing your profit 10 times, but you have to find the companies like that, okay? Now, after that, it became quite overvalued, so it's dropped down in price, and we can see that now it's on a very interesting level. So see, in 2010, nearly for 1 year, it was kind of moving into the range from $18, this is 18.6, this line, red line, $18.6 to $23.5. So in between this range, somewhere here, probably $20, so sideways. And after that, start moving up. Now, then it's dropped down here. You see, then in 2015-16, this high level, which is a resistance level, become a support. We can see for nearly a year, the company was above that level, then it broke through, returned back, okay? And few times it's bounced from that level. And at the moment, what we see, it's exactly in the same range, between $20 and $24. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see this pattern for maybe another roll or something like that, okay? So we kind of go back into this range. And the lowest level, which was around $90, okay, it's once touch here, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 6 times, and here it's another 7 times, and now the 8th time. So it's quite a strong support. And a lot of people who base their trading decisions on technical analysis, they understand that it is a very strong support level, okay? And very likely the price is going to be bounced from that level and go high. So that's where they're going to place all their buying decision, okay, buy shares. For us, it's also too good to know where traders are going to place buy orders, okay? This is monthly chart, so each candle represents 1 month. So let's have a look at the closer. So it's now 1 candle represents 1 week. So that's what we can see, okay? This is a March. Oh no, it's last year. This is March, right? So in March, we dropped to close to this low, which previous, like around $18. And then look, very quickly bounce back. So, and we can see 1 wave, 2 wave, and now it's a 3rd wave. No, this is a weekly chart, and that's a daily chart. So 1 candle is 1 day now, and these are waves. Okay, 1 wave, 2 wave, and this is a 3rd wave. What happened? Okay. Now, also what I wanted to show here, the kind of the pattern. Usually, every share has their own kind of feature on trades. And if you look at 2 different shares, they might have different type of patterns, okay? In general, they have similar patterns, but in some kind of things, they might differ. Look at this particular share. This drop, did it consolidate on that level or jump straight away? You see, it went down and next day it went all the way up and up. Here, down and then up and up. Okay, so down and then up, down. So, but some other shares, what they do, they drop and then they kind of bounce on a certain level and then they start moving up. And then when they go down, they bounce on one level and then they move up. This particular company don't consolidate, doesn't consolidate, sorry. And so it's kind of move up straight away. So for us, it's very difficult to predict when it's going to move, right? So maybe we see this candle tonight, like last night, and maybe tonight we will see all this green candle all the way back, and after that it moves up. So with this particular business, it's the time for decision is only 1 day. Okay? You have to make a decision at what price you're going to happy to buy. And then when you see candle like that, that's why you open the position and start buying. You don't buy when the price is still falling. Okay, this red candle is definitely not a signal of buying. So you wait until the green candle like that appears. Okay, something like that. So guys, that's what we can see. We see one wave, second wave, which happened yesterday, like the red candle. So based on this trend, which is more like blue, right? So what color is that? I'm not sure. So this color, we're already at support, right? We're at the bottom of this range. So if we see the pattern which is going to be repeated, so we might see the bounce back and all the way to around maybe $24, $25. But if we continue based on a yellow trend, so it might still break down and go to around $90 level. Okay, we don't know because this is a probability game. At the moment, we know that the market is overvalued. We know that the market started going down. We can see that it's moving together with the market. Market went up down 1.5% last night. So this company went nearly 3% down last night. Okay, so what is happening tonight? If the market keeps going down, so most likely this company is going to go down as well. So please pay attention to the market and please pay attention to this specific company. So because they will be still kind of moving together. But now question, guys, for you. If you like this company, okay, and if you decided, if you would decide to buy this company, at what level would you buy this company and at what level would you sell this company? At the moment, we are not looking at what kind of strategies you're going to use, like option strategies or whatever. In any way, you have to know the entry point and exit point for underlying security. Okay, so what would be your level where you buy this company? Or if you don't want to have this company, you just write down straight away, I wouldn't buy this company for whatever reason. Or what's your actions? For example, you analyze this company today, you found this company, what your set of actions? Where would you set your price target? Remember that when you're buying companies, you're not waiting and just waiting until it falls and then fall and you find it. You still have to have certain idea about the price which you want to pay. It's like, imagine you want to buy a bag or you want to buy a phone or something like that. What you do, you price it out, you analyze it and you say, okay, that's the price which I'm happy to pay. And after that, what you do, you wait until 26th of December and a huge Boxing Day, huge sale, and you go there and you see. And if the price is lower or at the same level which you were happy to pay, you just go and buy. Okay, similar stuff with stock market. You need to know prior to the fall, what price are you happy to pay? If it's dropped lower, hallelujah, you kind of buy it cheaper, but you need to know at price level which you're already happy to own that particular security. Okay, so guys, please write down. So at what level you're happy to buy? Okay, so now let's see. Okay, Olga 20, and where do you sell it? Rohan 1950, 20, 19 buy, 24 sell, 19 and 23 sell max. Alexei, when it comes close to key support is about 19. Okay, 19, 25, 19, 20 to 70. Okay, 30 to 30, sell to 30. Okay, fantastic, guys. Very good, very good. Okay, I'll explain you my way of thinking. So I do exactly the same. Around $19 to $20 I would buy because look, if it drop another, shows us another red candle. Okay, here, so it touches 90. So maybe even 1860. So if I see the next green candle, because what I do, let me draw it for you. Okay, so if I see another drop here, and then I can see the green already. Okay, that's something like that. So I see the green one. So it might happen that I buy it at $20 level. Yes, I might be greedy and buy it at $90, but most likely I'm going to get somewhere when I see green candle. Okay, so and then it's already moving up. So I would buy it here, and then just a second, it's shorter. The way I probably price, you see this range. So kind of this level is around $22. Then that becomes support around $22. Then again, it was around resistance $22. So $22, roughly 22.10, something like that. It's kind of very interesting level, and traders pay attention to that. So if I buy around $20 or $19, that's probably I will see this consolidation and it might pull back down. So if I'm short-term trader, so and I want to keep the stock for a few only like weeks or days, that's probably would be my target. Now, if I am a long-term investor, I'm going to pay attention to my fundamental analysis. And so if I long-term buy and hold strategy, I buy at 19.20 and hold until 41 to 60. Remember, that's our range between 40 and 60 where I hold and might say sell at 60 or above. So possible waiting period up to 3 years. But if you hold until 60, it gives you about 200% profit. Okay. Roll strategy, it means buy based on technical analysis. So I know it's valued company, undervalued company, so it's good to buy and then to sell. And so I might buy at 19 or 20 and sell around $22. It gives you 10% profitability. Now the question, guys, for you, how quickly it might happen? How quickly it might move from $20 to $22? Only a few days.
A few days.
Few days, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and that's it. So it's 1 week, and you make 10% profitability on this particular stock. Okay, it's not long. Now, when you look at long term, that's you see. If we look at this type of trend, I can see this level of $33. It's quite strong level. I see $26 level, quite strong level. So even if put in for long term investment, I understand that I might wait until 40, 60, but at this particular level, a lot of traders will slow down their growth. Because they will be shorting the stock here at this particular area. Okay, so that's why if you're a fundamental analyst and you trade based on that, you have to be patient on those levels because it might stuck here for a certain period of time, maybe even like 6 months or something like that, and then break through and go up higher. Right? If you're not patient enough, so you have to learn how to exit on those levels and how to make money on this part.